Hi guys, what's up? What's up? My name is producer Anthony TJ, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beat using Logic plugins and Logic stock plugins, instruments, drums. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make your own drums like Afro beats without using samples or downloaded samples. So step by step, let us start by making something. So I will set my BPM to 100, then hit my click. So it's gonna sound like this. So these are my drums, hi-hat. So let's start making some percussions. Yeah, something like that. I hit quantize, hit Q to quantize. Then I'm going to merge the two. Hit Command J. And I hit Q to quantize. Yeah, as you can hear the percussions. I'm just panning them to get a wide, sound. Then they are too loud. You can reduce them. Yeah, not just a balanced something. Let me play this one. Yeah. Sorry for that. Okay, I want to play these shaker. Control Option and reduce the velocity. So I'm going to make like a bouncy kick. Yeah. So guys, that is it for the drums. We can do some